what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get the Y2K filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect, go here. This is the effects gallery. Okay, you will see a search bar here. Just tap there and search for Y2K. Okay, remember this image, I'm going to use this one. Okay, this is the filter. Suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery, then you can go to discover and you can search for art kit. Okay, on the top row you will see the username. Just tap there, go to his profile and check in his effect gallery. Okay, slide up. Okay, and this is the effect Y2K. Just tap on it. Okay, from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see try this effect. Just tap there to try the effect. Likewise, and suppose you are not getting the effect like this also from effect gallery, then you can, let me go back first. Then you can visit this website. Link to this website I will give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. Okay, you will be directed to the effect page again. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.